What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to make a UI where if a player clicks on the button from within the UI, it's going to disable and enable the global shadows from the lighting. So what you do is go to Starter Guy, right click it, and then go to Insert Object, go to Screen UI, and when you go to Screen UI, right click it, and go to Insert Object. And when you go to Insert Object, we're going to add the button. So it would be text button, or you can do image button. It don't matter which one you use. So we're gonna go to text button, just for an example. And then once you add a text button, right click your screen UI, go to insert object again, find a local script, find a local script, and then add it. What we do now is we're gonna go to local guy, because we'll need access to the UI now. So we're gonna do local guy equal script dot parent. So now we have access to the UI, because if you click on the script and look at the parent, it equals to the screen UI. That's where it is. So now we go to local, not the variable, to the frame, to the button that we have. So now we need to access the button. So what we have to do is go to button. That's what we're gonna name it. And now we're gonna go to equals guy dot text button. See? Now we have access to the button. Now you just press enter again. Now you add the lighting, so we have access to the lighting. So local lighting equals game dot lighting. Now in this part, what you have to do is you add another variable. So we're gonna add a check system, basically. Debounce is what people call it. So check equal false. Now we're gonna do true. If true, because since lighting the global shadows is already true, so I already know that. So now I'm gonna press enter, and then now in this part we have to do this. We have to access the button now. So button, and then now we have to access to the point of if the player clicked on the button. So if the player clicks on the button, right click, right. Then we're gonna do connect the function. Now the parameters you can ignore. And then now in this part, you can do this. You just do this. You just do an if statement. So we're gonna do if check equal true. Then if true, well then we're gonna make it false. See? So what we have to do is we're gonna have to make it false. So if true, well, we're gonna put it to false. See? So now we have it to false. We're gonna also put the lighting to false. So now we access the global shadows from here, and we'll go to equals false. Now after that, we'll have to do an else if statement. So where to know else if true equals false. Now since we added it to false, then then we're gonna do this. So else if check equal false, then we're gonna run this part. And what this part is, it's basically the same thing we already did, but at this point we're gonna do the opposite. So basically what that would mean is just be like, you can copy it, you can copy what you just made, paste it, and then put it to true. Same thing. That's all you do. And then now, click play. Now you can have fun with clicking a button that enables and disables. All right, and that's how you do it. Have a great day. I mean, you're great. See ya.